Do whatever you want. We're breaking this bitch in. Ready? Yeah. Take two with a little bit of water. Good. All right, right there. Yeah. Yep.
Sometimes winner, sometimes loss. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Yeah. What's up, my dudes? Back at it again with another video, and this time in the new shop. Currently, we don't have any lights, but that's why we're here today. We are getting lights installed. We're installing them ourselves, but I bought a set of Barrina T8 9,000 lumen per light bulb, and I bought 12 of them. So we're gonna have 108,000 lumens inside this shop. If that's not enough, I will be buying more, but I have a feeling that that will do us just fine for now. I didn't want to go too high, obviously for cost to run them, even though they are LED, and also cost to buy them, because as many as I wanted to put in here would have costed me somewhere along the lines of like 800 bucks. I wanted to put a lot. On a side note, as you saw in the beginning, I got my buddy's car here, my buddy Ty. We're going to be installing a harness into his 1990 Civic DX hatchback. We also will be putting a base map on the ECU, doing some street tuning, getting it all together. When it comes time, we'll fill you in more on what's done to that motor, what's done to that car, and we'll get that sorted out. But today, well, in this video, we're gonna be installing the lights. We did get electric installed, so we have full electric. I have 4 outlet over there, a 4 outlet back there, a 2 outlet, 4 outlet, switch for the lights, which there's 2 outlets there, 2 outlets there, they'll be plugged in. We have an outlet underneath the fuse panel box and a 2 plug outlet here. I also got the place wired for 220, so when I find a TIG, which I think I did, I'm still looking, still researching, but I found one for a decent price. We got the 220 there, ready to be taken care of, ready to be handled. Got the shelves cleaned off. So this is coming along really nice. We swept again, you know, we're getting this thing in order, we're getting it ready to basically just keep bringing in work, like constantly, because obviously I want to make this thing a dream come true, have my own business, have my own shop, do my own thing, you know, work for myself. That's kind of like what I wanted to do. So we're gonna get these lights installed. So I bought 12. They're in 2 separate shipments. Don't know why, but they're 2 separate shipments. So I got one here. They're 8 foot in this box right here. And the next one should be here tomorrow. Hopefully it's here tomorrow. I would like to be here tomorrow so I can install the lights this weekend. But yeah, man, it's coming together nice. So when we're ready to install it, we'll catch back up. Same video, obviously. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we're ready. What's up, guys? Back at it. So we're gonna start getting the lights in today. I got both sets of lights here. So we're ready to go, ready to rip. 4 extension cords because we need to extend from the outlets down to where the lights are going to be over here. I have to wait for my keys because I fucking forgot them at the house. So they're coming. I gotta move the cars out. We're gonna be moving out the hatch and the CL so we have room, and then this car currently doesn't run because of the harness, so we're just gonna be pushing this back and forth. But as soon as my keys get here, I'll be able to move the cars out. We'll be able to get shit started, get it hung and stuff like that. But let me show you what we got so far. So I got my younger brother here helping me. We're gonna be putting these lights up. These are the Barrina lights I got. They are 8 foot. It's supposed to be 9,000 lumen per light bulb. I'm gonna get these open and we can show you what they look like. So these are the lights. This is what they come with. There is 6 lights in here, so there's 6 power cords. They come with on and off switches. We won't be using these switches. We will just be using basically one that will be on all the time, because we're going to have the lights activated by the switch right there, which goes up to these outlets. So there's 6 lights, there's 6 individual power cords, and then there is 6 or 3 splices, which basically connects the lights in tandem. So we can have one light up, have one of these in between, and then it goes to the next light. And then it also has these, which would essentially plug in if you want to wire these directly to power, which would be like if I wanted to wire it straight to the wiring in the shop instead of the outlet, I could use this instead, but I'm not going to be using these. All I'm going to be using is these right here to plug in between, and then this to plug into the extension cord. And this is all the mounting bracket stuff. They just screw in, and then you pop the light in and it holds the light. And then it also has these little white pieces, which will allow you to half of this goes into one light and half of it goes into the other light, and you can basically butt them up against each other. And then you can make one 24-foot long piece. So I gotta kind of like draw up how I want them done, because I have a feeling we're gonna need more lighting, but for now we're just gonna see what they look like and see how bright they are. I'm excited. So I saw that one of the boxes was a little bit damaged. I didn't think anything of it, but one of the lights are bent. I'm gonna see if it still works. If it still works, I'll use it for now, but hopefully they send me another one. So we got pictures. You know, the box was damaged a little bit. This is how it came. I didn't think anything of it, but if it still operates, it still operates. We can use it for now, but I definitely would get that thing replaced. If not, just get another extra one and then I'll be good. So we'll see what happens. All right, we got this. We just got it plugged in right now. I'm gonna see if it works. Sheesh, that's kind of bright. It works. It operates, so that's good. But I definitely will try to get that thing replaced, because nobody wants damaged lighting on the box. So my brother made a good point. I'm gonna test all of them, make sure they all work properly, and we'll go from there. Then when my keys get here, we'll move stuff out and start hanging them.
One of the new Kias that came out, the back is sexy.
Which Kia?
I don't know fucking I don't know if it's a Forte or what, but it looks good on the back.
Well, the Kia Stinger's pretty cool.
That's what it is.
Sheesh. All right, we got the cars moved out. We're gonna start measuring up and putting these lights up so we can get these lights up before it's dark, because I want to see what the difference looks like. So let's get cracking. All right, so we basically got the measurements down. I'm gonna have 6 feet from the wall is gonna be our first light here. We're gonna run 3 up to the door. The center ones are gonna be staggered that way, so we can spread some of the light out. I'm probably gonna need to get more lights. So we're gonna start going from 6 feet to the first one, and then we'll have, what did we say we're gonna have? 6 feet in between each set of lights. And then that gives us 6 feet on each set of lights to the wall, so. Sheesh. This is exciting. Finally gonna have lights put up. All right, we're gonna get more set up and be fucking groovy. Grab one of these bad boys. Should just clip right in. Boom. That's good. Yeah, that works. All right, so that looks pretty good. And then we'll have the extension, which will go from there to about here, and then we'll have another light, doo-doo, another extension, another light, doo-doo, and see how it goes. Shee. All right, so we got these 3 lights up right now. It's starting to get dark, which is nice, because then we'll be able to see what it looks like with the lights on at nighttime. But we got 3 lights up. And then we're going to run in the main, the plug style piece. So this will plug into the light, and then it has a switch on it, and it has a 3-prong plug, but that will plug into the extension cord, because I didn't think it'd be long enough, so I got extension cords to run from the outlets over. So we're gonna run that up, plug it into the extension cord, run it over, and we'll see how this one set of lights looks, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like whenever they're all done. All right, so we're plugging it in, and we're running it up in the middle of the trusses where they come to a V. We're gonna run it up and over and across, and then when we get to the end where we're gonna end up plugging it in, we're gonna ravel whatever we need to and kind of try and secure it to the truss, and then plug it in, and then we'll be able to test this first one and see what we're fucking with, huh? All right, we got the one set of lights up, our janky looking extension cord stuff, but that's okay, because that's fine. That's how I wanted it. He's gonna turn on the breaker for the lights, because we have them all on the breaker, which will put this switch on a light, and we'll see what it looks like with just one set of lights on. Oh my God! What? Bro, I did not expect it to be that bright for just one set. Sheesh! Sheesh! Yo, that's fucking tough. And we got three more rows to put up still. Yo, this is, I don't need any more light. We're sending them back. All right, we're gonna get the rest of them set up, and then we're gonna catch back up and show you all the finished product. Guys, I know it's dark right now, but I just wanted you guys to see how bright it is from the outside. I'm definitely gonna get more lights, because there are some certain spots in the shop that still I feel like need more light, but for now it's pretty good. So lo and behold, the lighting. Go ahead, hit the lights. Sheesh! Sheesh! It is so bright in here, bro. We had just one row on, and it was freaking bright. It's so nice in here. This is 108,000 lumens, because each one's supposed to be like 9,000. Definitely gonna need more lighting, so I'm gonna try and get 6 more lights, 2 for here. We'll have 2 more at the end of these 2 rows, and then 2 over here, and that'll light up the rest of the dark space, because these are just a tiny bit darker. But man, these lights are bright, and they are freaking nice, bro. I'm excited. This, like, you can just see how white it is in here. Almost like a hospital white, almost. It's kind of how I wanted it, so it would be like super bright. Won't have to worry about light anywhere. You could be underneath the car and still see, because of all of the light out here. So definitely gonna have to get in more light and see how it looks. Installed. That's it for that one. More things coming. Sorry it's not a very long video, but it's a good one. You know what I'm saying? We got a light. You know what I'm saying? I want to thank my brother and thank Liz for coming out and helping me. They were a big help today. So getting these lights in, like, my car's not showroom nothing, but like, damn! All these cars shining here with this light, bro. It's crazy. We are fucking ready. It is go time right now, okay? I got my eye on a couple welders, so I'll have that soon. I need to get a couple more tools, some table saws, shit like that, so I can get some real work in here, get in and out of here. But got a lot of things planned. Hope you guys stick around. That's all for this one, guys. Check you next one. Deuces.